pressing a button.
Where?
Just try pressing something.
I can't see a button.
Just try pressing something. Try a different button. Pretty good car, isn't it? Eh?
Yeah. What was that?
Oh, try it. It's got to be at the front. Try something different.
How was it doing that?
Oh, you touch it and find out. Don't press too hard. I'll try squeezing it a little bit.
How did you find that out then?
I went for a test drive and I just started touching